get a feeling there's going to be a riot.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Could be sitting, taking lunch. The news will hit you like a punch. It's only Tuesday.
What time is it?
You never thought we'd go to war after all the things we saw. It's April Fool's Day.
What time is it?
Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late.
Tomorrow is another day. Today is another bomb. 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 Escalation, devastation, generation, separation, situation, dissipation, shot. Another shot, that tender vessel crushing, pop the heart is cold, the gun is hot, shot. I'm not sure if they done or not, I'm not sure that they wanna stop, the gun is cold, the blood is hot, shot. Shot, 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 shot. The hearts are weak, the guns are not.
All right. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Good Lord, I'm ready. I'm fired up. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to go, baby. I'm ready to go. I'm ready. It's time to make some money. Never comes until it's too late. It's too late. The $1 Million Man with the $1 Million Plan. Hey. You know how we do. We're doing it live. We're back. We're ready. It's happening. It's Friday. I'm fucking fired up. Let's go. What do we got? Some news today. We got any news today? Well, the big news is, look at this. There's Matt L., the CEO of MFFU. That's me, obviously. That's Stephen Collegian. That's Luke. They had a big little meetup last night, little celebration. The big news. A $12 million man. Man, $12 million man. The funny thing is, people be like, yeah, I was already making over $12 million a year. So this is just another little feather in the cap, man. Just a little feather in the cap. We're getting ready here for market open up. Well, let's go. The ginger with this, I think it's a water stain on his thing. I don't know. We got Loomy Trades back there in the background. Why is everybody all loving me and not the other influences? We had a little influencer meetup last night. Unfortunately, Tory Trades was not there. Unfortunately. Victoria Trades was there, but not Tory Trades. Had a little meetup last night. My Funded Futures, buying it. Got some new car stuff going on as well. Looking at some new cars, looking at the boats. This is my boat. Getting finished, well, not finished, but in the process of building. Looking good. That thing is massive. Big old bitch. Big old bitch. Then, yeah, red day yesterday, by the way. So we're back here to make some money today. Fresh Cash Friday, last night's views. Out here just taking over the world. Stephen Kalajian was there as well. Do you have beef with Tory Trades? Yeah, I want to beat her up. Duh. I want to fight Tory Trades. Ah! That would be funny. All right. Let's stay focused. This is the first time in a while that we've actually pre-market or opening up above the previous day high. We had a crazy, look at this move last night. Oh my God. Anybody get long last night? That clearly that 23,000 area is a key level right now. We bounced from the 23,000s all the way back up here. 250 points, basically. 200 points. Man. What a time to be alive. Fresh Cash Friday. What are we going to do today? Make some money, hopefully? I mean, that's the plan, right? I can't promise. No promises, man. No promises, but I'm going to try. We need like some good music for like a Fresh Cash Friday vibe. Hey, Patrick, have a showdown with Tory Trades. I think, the kind of showdown that me and Tory Trades should have, we should measure dicks live on YouTube. My dick versus her dick. Who's got the biggest dick in the industry? I think we all know who's got the biggest one. But, just to figure out who's got the biggest dick, I think that would be the only way to do it. Last night, somebody asked me, they said, Patrick, why did you come up with the name BDH? And I said, well, I mean, I don't want to state the obvious, but let's be honest. We all know who the BDH is. We all know. I walk in the room and everybody knows. Everybody turns and goes, oh, fuck. PW's here. Oh, shit. PW's here. I was telling the guy from My Fun of Futures last night, they're talking about how some of the affiliates got butthurt. Some of the affiliates got butthurt because of my big deal that we had that last week or a week ago or whatever it was when My Fun of Futures was 25% off with only the code PW. And then people were crying. They were crying. People were like, oh, why are you going to let Patrick Wieland do that? I'm like, well, that's what happens when you're the biggest and you're the largest. You're the bestest, That's what happens. So, what do we got? Tori put a trend line on you. Fuck that. She didn't put no trend line on me. I need some good music today. What we got? What's some good music? I need a good playlist here. I need to find a good playlist. What's a good playlist? Retro 80s gaming. Oh, that could be a vibe. Okay, I like this. I like it. Woo! All right. Well, like I said, this is the first. I feel like this is the first time in a long time. I don't know how long it's been, but that we're actually opening up green pre-market. Market's been down the last few days. Right now on the daily chart, we're holding up there. Wick on the bottom of these candles. Will this be the reversal level? Do we start to push back to the highs, or do we take that next leg down, back down into this area next? It's Friday. Yeah, I saw that. Nvidia not green right now. Why is that? Zordjanko in the balloon right now. Oh my God. Zord, be careful, man. Be careful, Zord. Zord's out there skydiving in California right now. Sunrise. Did I meet Forest Trades? Who's Forest Trades? I don't know. Did I meet him? I don't think so. Oh, maybe. Yeah. Trading with Forest? Yeah, I met him last night. We got some, I guess well, whoa, what's going on with the chart there? So we're trying to nail it down right now, but it looks like the end of September, we're gonna have the head-to-head battle. 2 women, 1 PW. 2 women versus me. Gonna be hot, hot, hot. So on, we got Terry Trades. Terry Trades is gonna come live at the BDH and trade. And we got this other girl, Trades by Arena, and it's gonna be a showdown. 2 women trading for 5 days. Can they out-trade PW? Live on YouTube. Is it possible? I think we're gonna get more views. We're gonna get more views than we did when Alex and Greg were here. We'll see. $25,000. It's a $25,000 bet that they can't out-trade me. It's like that. Remember back in the day they had the tennis, where the tennis player played the girl, the guy played the girl. It's like that, but at the BDH, 2 women versus Patrick Wieland, live on YouTube. I'm like, I gotta figure out what can I say and what can I not say, you know? Like, is it gonna be weird if I talk about how big my dick is when they're here, you know? Like, is that gonna be a weird thing? Like, is there like, you know, is there like a line that I can, like, where's the line at, you know? Where's the line at? That's what I want to know. Like, is there a line? Am I gonna cross the line? We're gonna find out. I say, welcome to the BDH, girls. There is no political correctness at the BDH. Everyone's got to whip their dicks out and put it on the table, okay? Just be yourself. If they don't like it, they can leave. Fuck yeah, Calvin. I love you, bro. I'm gonna pin Calvin's post right there, because it's such a good reminder of everybody. Calvin P getting the pin post of the day. Just be yourself. If they don't like it, they can leave. Let's go. Congrats on the new deal with MFFU. You know, $12 million seems like a lot of money, but it ain't. It ain't. It ain't. It ain't a big deal. It ain't a big deal, Chad, okay? How's the audio right now? How's the music? Should I go a little bit louder with the background music or a little bit lower? You know, what do you think? Lower? Perfect. We'll do a poll. The funny thing is, I put a poll in the chat and it says lower or higher, and people are gonna think they're talking about the market. I'm talking about the music. The music. Do you want? You want a lower or higher? We'll do the vote here. Well, you also gotta remember, like, you know, every once in a while too, the music can be a little different too. All right, go a little lower. Wow, y'all want it lower. Like that, is that better? A little lower? I think that's good. Oh, also, big news. Fucking Cracker Barrel, man. Cracker Barrel going woke. What the fuck is wrong with this world? What happened to the good old days, man? When you go to Cracker Barrel and you knew what you were getting yourself into, you know? You knew it. You're like, hey, Cracker Barrel is awesome, right? Like, I go to Cracker Barrel, I'm gonna walk up in there, it's gonna be a bunch of rednecks, it's gonna be a bunch of racist people, it's gonna be a great life that we're living. No, no, no! No, no, no! Not anymore. Cracker Barrel changing their name. They said that the old logo is racist. Tell me how that logo is racist. Cracker Barrel, it's a white guy sitting next to a barrel. And now we're worried about being racist? I like Sydney Sweeney's tits, that's what I like. This is what happens when you go broke. This is what you get. You go woke, you get this. It ain't the same. It ain't the same, man. It's a yellow guy, not a white guy. Fuck. I thought cracker meant white, like a cracker. People used to always call me a cracker when I was, younger. I thought that was like a derogatory term. Yeah, I mean, the food's terrible. Amen. But yeah, this is what happens, man. Welcome to the new world that we're living in. The best part is, you know what the best part is? When this news came out, look at their stock price. Stock price plummeted. Went down 15% yesterday. They went broke and the stock price went. They went woke and the stock price went broke. Yeah, so much for that, huh? Look at that thing. Cracker Barrel stock dropping from the 60s down there to the 50s after releasing that news. I don't know, man. Like, if people just can't be happy, be like, hey, look, it's a dude sitting next to a barrel. Yeah, he might be white, he might be yellow, he might be black. Who the fuck knows, man? It's just a dude. Just a guy sitting next to a barrel, bro. He's just a good old cracker boy sitting next to a barrel. That's the way I look at it. That's the way I look at it. When I think about cracker, I think about Florida cracker. Y'all know what a Florida cracker is? Yeah, y'all don't even know. See? Get a little bit of, I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of history. Who the Florida cracker is? The Florida cracker. And I ain't talking about the white, but there's a Florida cracker right here. So the reason they're called a cracker, right? The Florida cracker. Why are they called crackers? Well, they use whips. They have these cracker whips. The Florida cracker, man. That's our history. That's Florida history right there. You're gonna get probably a video. Cowboying, baby. I grew up riding horses. Good old time, Out there moving the cows around. It's just that life, that cowboy life, man. Got that cowboy life. See those whips? You basically like take that whip and it makes a cracking noise. You're not actually hitting the cow with the whip. You're just giving a little crack. I can actually crack a whip pretty good. When I was a kid, I would just sit out in the front yard and just crack the whip all day. I was bored. That's what happens when you're a redneck. People are like, what'd you do growing up? I'm like, I cracked a whip. Yeah, but they also crack whips. Nah, see, it's a different whip, to be honest. But whatever you gotta tell yourself. And again, I don't know any crackers. I don't know any cracker in the world that used to that cracked whips on slaves. Everyone would be dead, so we don't have to worry about that issue anymore. But again, it's like, it's just, it's history. It's history, man. People in Africa that sold slaves to white people also had whips. I mean, it is what it is. Can you turn your voice up? Is it a bull flag on the hourly chart? Let's see. I'd say it definitely looks like a bull flag. Got a double bottom, kind of like overnight double bottom here. Friday, rip to the moon. Friday, rip to the moon. I know the discount on MFFU we gotta work out the discount. They couldn't afford to run a discount because they paid me $12 million. So that's the problem, It was like, are we gonna have a discount for Patrick Wieland, or are we just gonna pay him $12 million? I was like, well, I like that $12 million. I want that $12 million. Last night, meeting up with the CEO of My Fund and Futures, Stephen Kalasian was there as well. Good old Steve. Steve was asking when he can come back to the BDH. Should we have Steve come back to the BDH? When? What day? When should we have him come back? Maybe next week. Maybe next week. We'll see. 4-hour bear flag. Sell side at 22,800. 4-hour bear flag. I don't see a 4-hour bear flag. I see a 4-hour double bottom. Yeah, next Thursday, I don't know what the deals are going to be, but I got a feeling that there's probably going to be some deals, right? It's my birthday. I'm turning 37 years old. You know, I'm thinking, you know, there got to be some good deals out there, you know, some good deals. Patrick, bring on traders from the Funding Ticks leaderboard. Okay. Yeah, I think there was maybe a bear flag on the 4-hour chart here, but the fact that we already dipped down and ripped back up, I don't know. What's the weekly candle look like? Weekly candle. If we start to put a wick in here on the bottom of this weekly candle, I don't know. I think it's kind of looking a little bullish here. Like I said, this is the first time that we've opened up in like the last week or so. This is the first time that we've opened up and we haven't gapped down overnight. So this is the first time that we've actually gapped up. Not a big move up either. Big range overnight, so we might get some chop here today. We got Trump talking. We got Jerome Powell talking later on today with the Jackson Hole Symposium. So we'll see what happens. Where to get a liquidated t-shirt at? OnlyProfitFirms.com. Liquidated t-shirt. We got new t-shirts coming as well. We got all kinds of stuff popping off. If you guys have not already checked it out, Funding Ticks right now is $50. $50. There's a link there in the chat. What am I going to do with the $12 million now? I don't know. I'm going to invest it. I'm going to put all my money into NVIDIA. $12 million into NVIDIA and ride it to the moon, baby. Do you have a merch stylist? Like a, what? Like a merch style, like someone who styles my merch? Or like dresses me in the morning? I dress myself. I'm a big boy. I dress myself every morning. Sometimes I put on clothes and then Victoria's like, you probably shouldn't wear that. And I say, well, I'm gonna wear what I want. I went to the liquor store the other day and the girl at the liquor store asked me, I was wearing this shirt right here, and she said, how big's your cock? And I was like, wait, oh, I'm wearing the shirt. But then she started telling me how good she could ride it. And I was like, uh-oh, this is not good. This is not good. I was like, I don't know if I can be wearing this shirt in public anymore. If I wear this big dick house shirt in public, too many women are gonna throw themselves at me. Cassie said they're gonna buy some oversized shirts. Well, yeah, I mean, we can work something out. A big oversized shirt for a big old cock. Did she have teeth? Yeah, she had teeth. Come on. Everywhere I go, man. Everywhere I go. I was telling the people last night, some of the employees from My Fun and Futures, how they were like asking about the, you know, the big dick house and stuff, and like, where'd that come from? And I'm like, well, you know, it's a place. You know, you don't just get to join the BDH. You got to know where it is, you know. And like I tell people all the time, I think the BDH really, at the end of the day, it's more of a belief, right? It's an idea. It's not a place. It's more of just a way to live your life, right? My theory is like, when I walk in the room, everybody turns and looks and goes, God damn, the BDH is here. That guy's got a big old dick. God damn. I know Matt L was thinking that last night. Matt L was definitely trying to figure out how big my dick was. I'm not even lying. I swear to God. True story. True story. A couple times he asked me to go into the bathroom and measure it. I'm like, bro, come on. I can't be, that's gay. You try to measure my dick is gay. I'll just tell you how big it is. It's real big. I also, like, dude, I got knobby knees. I gotta, like, work on this. I got this problem. Look. I got this problem. See, my knees, they go in. My knees, they go in. My knees, they go in. I've always had that. Like, see, like the knees. My knees. My knees. Yeah, I got the pigeon stance. Taking it from behind too often. Yeah, Dario, I'd love to see you try. My butthole is tighter than a fucking Eskimo's butthole. You can try all you want, Mr. What was that guy's name? Dario. You try to put it in my butt. I bet you can't. I bet you can't. That thing's, you ain't getting nowhere near that booty hole. I'm like the opposite of bow-legged. My legs bow in somehow. Your keyboard is cool looking. It is. I paid $1,000 for a clear keyboard. I know, right? Like, wow, look at that. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, fuck. Dude, everything froze. Fuck. Are we back? Dude, keyboard. Can you hear me? Are we back now? Mic check, mic check. Are we back? Damn, my keyboard. Don't touch the keyboard, okay? Whatever you do, don't touch it. It'll freeze everything. We gotta try it again. Okay, we're back. Hey, keep your hands off the keyboard, chat. Don't touch it. Now I got no mic. My mic's low. Oh man, everything's going to shit right now. Everything's going to shit. Absolute shit right now. Why is it low? It's back up. I think it's back up. All right. He's back. All right.
Powell running his mouth at Jackson Hole at 10 F.
Powell. Dude, his back is down again. Dude, his mic. I don't know why his mic's getting all weird. I think I might have hit the mic. Oh, now I know. We didn't have, it wasn't all the way plugged in. My keyboard hit the mic, and that's what froze everything. Now it makes sense. Now I know. Now I understand what the problem is. Fucking keyboard, man. Fucking keyboard. Now it. Dude. I got microphone problems. Yeah, my mic hole is loose. I got a loose mic hole here. All right, we got the close from yesterday, 220 here. I got the VWAP down there, 214s. We got plenty of time here till market opens. 4 minutes. Whoop! Whoop! Someone on Twitter says, I'm lost. $12 million a year to promote them? That's what I assume? I said, no. I'm getting $12 million a year to make porn. All right, big difference. Big difference. Trading porn. Look at little Joe. Look at a little Ginger. You got to always keep a Ginger around. Little Joe over there. You got Joe. You got Matt L. You got Fabian. I think it's Fabio. You got Hunter. You got Steven Kalasian. You got Luke. Luke, that's the My Funded Futures team. Steven Kalasian's obviously not there, but he's a friend of ours. Dude, my legs, I know. It's also the pants. I'm not really like, I'm not that frumpy, I swear, look. You know, look. Look. There, it just looks weird with the pants. Pants got a little loose. A little loose. All right. 23,250 area holding up right now. We're looking for the move. We got some giveaways coming up today. I want to give away some money today. So we need some likes. We need to have good vibes, chat. Let's keep the bad vibes out today. Let's keep the good vibes up. Let's have a good Fresh Cash Friday. Let's go into the weekend on a high note. Let's break some records. Let's make some money. Let's have a good fucking day. Good fucking day. Good fucking day. Good fucking day. All right. Let's do it. Let's do it. Together. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. All right, like I said, we got a bit of a bull flag here on the 15-minute chart. I might be wrong. I might be right. I mean, something's going on. I'm not sure. NVIDIA sold off or gapped down overnight. It's kind of holding right now around the 172 level. The rest of the market, the ES, the Nasdaq, the Dow right now, Dow's breaking out here as well. Yeah, look at the ES right now, 6,406 level. If the ES can get back up here, I think above this kind of, that was an overnight high from the other night. That's 6,420 area, key level. And then the NASDAQ, same thing, right? If we can get back up above that, we've got a couple things to look at here. You got like this little triple top, kind of that 360 area. Maybe this is a good spot to end the week at. They can close the weekly candle around this 23,400 level. That would be an idea, right? I think that's an idea. Wow, the Dow is going straight to the moon right now. The Dow is up 80 points straight to the moon here in the last 15 minutes. And we got about 1 minute till market opens. So let's see what happens, chat. Let's see. I like the bull flag, though. I like it. So market is open. I like the bull flag here. We're breaking out already. Just got to see if we can actually make a move here to the upside. Patience, patience, patience. Straight down now to the VWAP now. Yesterday's close. Straight down on it. Going straight down still. Oh my lord. Bull flag denial. I'm gonna try a long right here at the 200s. I think we could get a nice little sweep of that 200 level, pop back up here quickly. So I'm gonna try it. So maybe like back up here into that 235s or so. Not gonna be greedy today. I'm gonna take my profit when I can get it. So let's see. 235s. See if we get that pop back up here. We should. The Dow is ripping straight up right now. Nasdaq's trying to push back up here. Come on. 230s tap in there. Beautiful. Beautiful. There we go. From the 09s back up there to the 35s. Now let's see what happens here next. We got that pivot point. You got a pivot point at the 235s. The Dow is going straight up. The ES is holding up. ES is kind of looking a little bit more bullish than the NASDAQ right now. Nice little push back up there, 240s now. That low is, oh my God, did we just hit that low or what? 209s back up there, 235s now. I want to see what happens here now. We got to get back above these EMAs. If I'm looking for another long, we got to get back up here above 250s or so. We get back above those EMAs, things could start to push. The bigger time frame right now, look at that 5-minute chart. We have a big old wick there. We pulled back into yesterday's gap. So if the bulls start to push through here, I like this possibly for another long opportunity above 250s. Get this push back up here. Let's see. Now I kind of want to see if I want to get like a candle to push up and then a little like mini bull flag type thing. Right now, getting stuck there at the 250s. That's fine. See, we couldn't get above the 250s now. No reason to get long there yet. Still just being patient. We got Powell speaking today. We got Trump speaking today. We got all kinds of stuff going on today. So let's see. I basically don't want to get short until we get below VWAP here. That'd be the only place I'm getting short. If we get below VWAP, we start moving our way back to the overnight low. Maybe I get short there, but right now I don't see the point in getting short here yet. Let this market go. Let it do its thing. There's that push back up 250s now. It's kind of that 5-minute chart looking a lot better. The Dow's ripping. The ES is pushing. I'm still maybe looking for a long here. I just want to see some type of like push through this 260, 270 area, and then maybe a long opportunity. Need the rest of the market to bounce. To bounce, Junior. Got the 15-minute range to play into, yes. Getting stuck there again at the EMAs. Stuck there, the EMAs again. I don't want to get short right into that fucking VWAP, but just watching here. This is futures, yes. Futures. We're trading Nasdaq futures. All right, Nasdaq having a little bit of trouble here. There's a pivot point right there at the 230s. The ES right now, ES is trying to hold up that 6,400 level. If the ES starts pushing, we got a pivot point there at the 414s. ES is above the EMAs. Nasdaq's right there at those EMAs. ES 1-minute chart, you can kind of see a little bit of just getting stuck there. So if the ES starts pushing, then we should see a breakout on the Nasdaq here. ES, that pivot point, 414, 6,414. We're right there at those EMAs now. So I like this idea of maybe the Nasdaq starting to rip back up here now. Right, kind of watching here, getting tighter. If we get going through this wick here at the 260s, we should be able to like go straight up, take out that high from earlier at least, like 280 area, right? You got Nvidia coming back alive. You got the rest of the market coming back. I might take a long here. Let me see. Ugh. We're right there at that trend line now. We got to get through this level. Get through this level here. Nvidia needs to fill that gap. Nvidia 175 to fill the gap from yesterday. There's that push. Okay. Well, there. Oh, my Lord. Why did I not get in there? All right, let's try the long here to get through 280s or so. I'll take a quick like 10 points here just to lock that in. We're at the highs right now, so don't be greedy, you know. like my R&R there, baby. R&R. Just trying to get a quick pop up through this 80, maybe like 90 level there. I got 89s looking for. Just some continuation of momentum. The ES pushed all the way up there to that pivot point for now. Nasdaq having a little bit of trouble here. It's either going to rip up here, take out the 90s next. The Nasdaq, the Nvidia push trying to happen here. I thought we might just continue straight up through there. I might just take it off here quickly. Let me see. It's still holding. Still holding. A little bit of trouble there. Can't get through the 280s. Oh, my Lord. Come on, Nasdaq. Why? Why does that happen to me? Little pullback here. It's all good. Gotta have to let this pull play out here. Giving a little bit of room here. We're not even risking 10 points yet, so. Wow. We can move our target up now. We'll move our target above 300s now. There we go. Nice little pullback here. Beautiful. I probably should have waited for that pullback, been a little bit more patient, but I'll take it. If we can just push up through here now, through the 77s again. He's trying. I want to see some aggression right here from the buyers. Give me some aggression here, Nasdaq. Give me some aggression right here, Nasdaq. I need some aggression. Get through this 280 level strong. Come on. Oh, son of a bitch. All right, so the ES pushed up there through the pivot point for now. Nasdaq's kind of holding up here. I'm looking for some continuation. I want to see this push. 420 level for the ES to push up there. Nasdaq trying to go. Let's get it right here, boys. Let's get it right here. I'm going to lock it in there for 10 points. I don't like that I set through that whole draw down there. Whatever, I'll take it. You know, haters are going to hate, players are going to play. We're going to get paid, boys. So far on the morning right now, we are up $3,000, $3,600. Let's go. Let's go. Nasdaq up there to almost to the highs now, baby. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's going. It's actually going. Imagine watching this stream for the first time. You're like, what the fuck is this guy smoking? I'm smoking that Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Come on. Oh yeah, we're going. We're going. Nvidia filled the gap. Nvidia still pushing up. Nasdaq trying to push up. ES trying to push up. Everything trying to push up. We going. We going. We going. Going. It's Fresh Cash Friday. I'm ready. I like the money. I want to party. I want to party. I want to party. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. All right. Serious time. 350s now to the upside there, right? 350s is the pivot point there. 350s now. The Nasdaq making the move. Let's go. Let's go, chat. What a move. Like I said, the longs getting paid. Woo! I love my life. I fucking love this shit. I wake up in the morning, I'm fucking rock hard right now. God, I'm so fucking jacked. Jack to the tits. Jack to the motherfucking tits right now. I want to go crazy. I want to go crazy. I want to go crazy. I want to get crazy. Ah! Oh, God. What a move. What a move. What a move. Daddy likes it. Daddy wants it. Up there to the 320s now. I'm still long on my personal account from the 248s right now. Looking to see if I can't get 100 points on that motherfucker. Pivot point up there at the 50s. Come on now, Nasdaq. Let me get some. Let me get some of that, Nasdaq. Let me get some of that. Let me get some of that, you little bitch. Come on now. Come on, you little Nasdaq-y. Ooh, look at NVIDIA. Rip it up here. Come on, NVIDIA. Come on, NVIDIA. I need everything to go to the moon right now. If it don't go to the moon, I'm going to lose a lot of money today. Trying to see what I've got. Bro, I've got so much NVIDIA right now. Y'all don't even know. I am a whale. I'm an NVIDIA whale. I'm an NVIDIA whale. I got 2,500 shares of NVIDIA right now. God. I'm rolling it dick deep into the fucking ER next week. I might buy more too, you know, worst come to worst, I'll buy some more. I'm gonna keep buying. And my average on NVIDIA is 174 is my average on NVIDIA, so. Can we get some more out of it? You know what I mean? Anybody want to buy some NVIDIA shares? I got some extra. I got 2,500 of them. All right, you let me know. You let me know, chat. I'm dick deep in it right now. Look, look, look. I got a $230,000 position on NVIDIA right now. Come on, Nasdaq. Grind the moment, said Patrick. I just made my eval profit in one trade. Should I try to lose so I won't have to win as much? I need to answer because I'm about to take a short to lose some profit. Up to you guys. Consistent Trader said you bought NVIDIA at $4. Get the fuck out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. What are you talking about? What you talking about? Why are you talking shit now? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Nasdaq's still going higher right now, boys. Why? I don't know why anyone ever doubts me. Why do they ever doubt me? Why? 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 Look at this. Just look at it, would you? Just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it, would you? From the 48s now, up there to the 33s. This is the 5-minute chart, by the way. Oh my God, it's beautiful. You know what? I did buy the bottom. I want to put that out there. I did buy the bottom. I did buy the bottom here. I'm putting my target up here at the let's say 45s. Come on, chat. Pump it up one more time for me. Give me one more little pumpity pump. I got one contract left here. I want to get that 100 points on a Friday. On a Friday. I want that Friday. I want that Friday. I want that Friday. I'm going to lock in that money. I got that money on the Friday. Damn it. I had 10 contracts. Oh my God. Never mind. It's dumping. Oh my God. What time is it? 9:46? Who's talking right now? Who's talking right now? Who's doing that? God damn it, Nasdaq. I might buy this dip here. What do we think? Buy the dip, sell the rip? Buy the dip, sell the rip here? I don't know. Let me see. If you see, I got long. Look at the bottom. I got long this morning at 209. LOL. LOL, chat. What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck, chat? You know, like, what the fuck? What the fuck, chat? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck, chat? What the, you know what I mean? Like, what the fuck? What in the fuck, man? Why'd I get long there? I'll tell you a question. I'll give you an answer. Who wants the answer? I'll tell you exactly why I got long where I did if we hit 1,000 likes here. I'm gonna tell you a secret. I'll tell you a secret. Y'all ready for the secret? Anybody want a secret? I'll give you a secret. I'll give you that free secret. I'll give you a 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 secret. Who wants to see it? We ain't got 1,000 likes. Nobody wants a secret, I guess. Fucking A. No secrets. Guys, I am $1 million man. Okay, I don't even need to be here on this live stream. Look, I signed a $12 million deal last night with my funded futures, okay? I don't even need to make money anymore. I can just do nothing. I'm retired. It's over. It's over, man. Over. I can't believe they had a whole celebration last night just to celebrate the fact that they're paying me $12 million a year. You know, it's crazy. Crazy talk. All right, let's go back really quickly here and let's talk about why it all played out so beautifully here today. First off, what do we got? The dotted line. If you do not have this on your chart, pull it up on the chart. It ain't rocket science. Look, check this out. I'm going to give you all the fucking secret. I'm going to give you all the secret. Are you ready? Look at this. Go to scales and lines. Go right here. Previous day close. What do we got? Put your line on the chart. Ding, ding, ding. What that's telling you is where the market closed on the previous day, right? Where did it close at? Right there. So at open, we pull back. We filled the gap, right? We fill the gap here. We push right up off the VWAP. Oh my God. I fucking love it. Look at it. I told you to buy the dip here. Back up there to the 330s now. Come on. Come on, big boy. Oh my Lord. Tell me I'm not the #1 day trader on YouTube. Tell me. I dare you. Somebody tell me that. I would dare somebody to tell me. Like literally with a straight face. With a straight face. I want you to sit here and I want you to tell me that I'm not the best to ever do it. I want you to tell me. You can't. You can't. We got a pivot point out there at the 350s, baby. We had the 15-minute opening range. It's closed up here now. We got some news coming up. We got stuff going on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude, Zord jumped out of a plane. He jumped. This is Zord. Zord's in the chat. He might not be here anymore because he just jumped out of a hot air balloon. He locked in profit watching the live stream live. He made $1,200 live while parachuting. I'm not even joking right now. This is serious, people. He's parachuting, making money watching the live stream. We are live on the top of a fucking parachute. You know what I mean? That's crazy. That's crazy talk. People be crazy. What a crazy time to be alive. This is one of our sponsored athletes. Look at this guy. Oh, what the fuck? What in the fuck? Guy jumping out of a hot air balloon. Out of a hot air balloon there. He's crazy. Look at this. This is the other view. Look at that guy. Oh my God. OnlyProfirms.com. We sponsor the best and the biggest, the largest. Oh. That's got to be pretty insane. Parachuting out of a hot air balloon. Gotta love it. Look at that. Zord bought on the way up and sold after he landed. Zord, I told you it was gonna work. I told you it was gonna work, bro. Just get long when the market opens and then sell when you land back on Earth. Do-do-do. Oh, man. All right, we're going to wait for a little bit of a pullback here. Something that gets me excited for, like, to get long. Maybe another trap to the downside would be good. You know, a little trap to the downside. I would like that. You know, a little trap to the downside here. We'll see. Let's see what happens. Patience, my friends. This is a good time to be patient. Patience. Kind of flagging here, huh? At the 30s there. Got a pivot point up there at the 53s. Got to see if we can get all the way up there now. ES is flagging. Nasdaq's flagging. NVIDIA almost back to green on the day right now. Come on, NVIDIA. Do it for daddy. Do it for daddy, NVIDIA. We got Powell talking today. We got Trump talking today. Who made money today? Who made money today? Who made money today? Who made money? Who made money? I made money. Who made money? Who made money? Who made money? Everyone be making money live on YouTube with the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Money, 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 money. Money, money. Yee. All right, still kind of, like I said, we're kind of waiting for that setup, right? Wait for this setup that looks too good to pass up on. I want to wait for that setup that just looks so good that I have to take the trade. You know what I mean? Somebody said they passed funding ticks. Let's go. Who passed funding ticks accounts today? Who bought that $50 account? Who bought that $50 account? I know y'all did. That deal's too good to pass up. Who got that? Who run it? Who run it? Who run it? All right, a little bit of trouble here on the Nasdaq. Back down there to the 300s again. Like I said, just kind of waiting to see what happens with this opening range for now. We got Powell speaking. We got Trump. All kinds of stuff going on today with Jackson Hole and all that fun stuff. We pushed up there to a high of 342 from the lows. From the lows, chat. Let's go. I didn't want to bring it up, but let's bring it up here. Let's talk about it. Oh my Lord. I got long this morning. First trade of the day, I got long at 209, sold at 235, took the long to there. Oh my Lord. Oh my baby Jesus. What a time to be alive. You know what I mean? It's crazy talk. Crazy talk. The Dow is still going to the moon right now, by the way. ES is pulling back here. ES pulling back right now. Dow ripping up there to the moon. Nasdaq kind of pulling back here. Trouble on the Nasdaq. Back to those EMAs, 290s or so. The 50K, the $50,000 deal. The $50,000. The $50 deal with funding ticks is going on till I think the 23rd. So tomorrow. So like today might be the last day for funding ticks. Big deal here. Get 35% off. Use the code PW. All right, so the ES pulling back. Nasdaq's pulling back here. Being patient. Let's see what happens here next. Pull back because of Jay Powell. Fuck you, Jay Powell. Little bitch. Jay Powell's a little bitch. And that's the best part. Like I said, there's no reason to get long until we had something that looked really good to get long. So, pulling back there now. Back into the 260s. That's the middle of the 15-minute range, by the way. Everything's just kind of pulling back here now. Down there, the VWAP's at 244s. Back there to the VWAP for now. Market said, I go up and then I go down. I go up, then I go down. Like that. I go up, then I go down. A lot of volatility right now. Market just kind of chopping around down here. Don't go chasing waterfalls. At least for now. We're holding up there the VWAP for now, but that don't mean much. If all J Powell has to say is that his butthole hurts and the market's going to dunk 100 points here. Dunk it 100 points right into his booty hole. Or pop it straight up as well. Oh my God. Oh my. What the fuck? What in the fuck? Oh my. Oh my. What the fuck? What is happening right now? What is happening? What is happening right now? Oh my God. Dude, it's off the charts. It's off the charts. Well, that's fun. Wow. Okay, well, that worked out beautifully. Up there to the 500s now. Nasdaq, ES, everything's going to the moon. It is Fresh fucking Cash Friday, boys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. Is anybody seeing this right now? I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared there earlier. I was a little scared. Now I'm a little happy again. My Nvidia is back in the green. I'm gonna be so fucking rich. So rich. Oh, fuck yes. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. I wanna fuck yes me, baby. Oh my God. What a move, chat. What a fucking move. Oh my Lord. Was anybody long from the 260s? Still going higher, by the way. We got a pivot point coming up there at the 560 area. Powell is suggesting that a rate cut is coming. All right. I like the news. Nvidia going to the moon right now. Let's go, boys. Nasdaq just going to the absolute moon right now. I fucking love it. I fucking love it. I fucking love it, boys. What a move. What a fucking move, man. Like, this is why I love Fridays. I love Freshcast Fridays so fucking much. Ah! What a fucking move. All those shorts just got their buttholes squeezed out. They squeezing them booty cheeks right now. Them shorts are absolutely fucked. Nvidia going to the moon. The market's going to the moon. I'm up $21,000 in my personal account today. I'm not gonna lie, I needed it. I needed it today. I needed it today, Chad. I needed this. I was having a bit of a battle, an inner side battle. Mark said I need to look like I need to take leg day more seriously. Hey, Mark, how about this, Mark? How about you come over here, right? How about you come over here and you fucking sit on Daddy's lap and I'll show you how these legs work. You're worried about my leg day? I got nice legs. Look at that. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? They're nice legs. I'm ready for anything. I'm fucking ready for everything. Like, people have no idea. I could fight like 10 full-grown men at one time, right? 10 of them, and I would still win. Cause I would just pull my dick out, and all the men, all the girls, all the guys would just be like, fuck, what do I do? They wouldn't want to touch me, and then I would win. I would pull my dick out, and then I would punch everybody else in the dick, and that's how I would win the battle. You know? Who wants to sign up? Who wants to? I swear to God. Let's go. Who wants? Come to the BDH. Come to the BDH, and I will punch you right in the dick. Say I won't. Say I won't do it. Say I won't do it. Exactly. I will. You think I won't? Y'all be like, what? You won't punch me in the dick? I'm like, yeah, I will, bitch. I'll punch you right in the fucking square in the dick. I'll punch you right in the fucking dick. Y'all don't even know the kind of dicking that's gonna happen in here. I'm gonna be dicking everybody. I'm gonna dick everybody. But just dink, 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 dink. I don't even skip leg day. I'm so confused right now. Look at these legs. Look at my calf muscles. Look at my muscles. Look at my muscles. I think I got pretty good legs, to be honest. Like, I don't know. I think they look fine. They're not even like, I'm not even skinny legs. Look at that muscle. Look at that. Shut the, Tom B, come to my house. Come to the BDH right now and say I got little legs. Say it. Say it. I bet you won't. I bet you won't. You want to see my tattoo? Look at my tattoo. I got a knife. That's a knife. Right there. I got a boar jaw. That's a boar jaw. Boar jaw. I'm a fucking warrior. I'm a warrior. People don't even understand. I will fuck people up. I will fuck people up. I got a knife tattooed on my fucking leg. What do you got? What do you got? Garage Boys, I got those tattoos in Hawaii, dog. I got them tattoos in Hawaii, dog. Nah, I got them in Hawaii. Oh my, I cannot believe it. I can't believe it. Dude, I need NVIDIA to just rip to 180s right now. If NVIDIA rips to the 180s, I might just take all my I don't know. I love this. I love it, though. I needed this move right now. Y'all don't even understand. Y'all don't even understand. Okay, chat, I got a little... We're going to do a giveaway here. I'm going to give away $1,000 today. $500 to 2 lucky YouTube subscribers. That's right. 5,000. Well, $500. Nasdaq's still going higher, by the way. Look at it ripping there. Oh, ho, ho. All right, so for the first task of the day, stop spamming the chat. Stop it. There's a link in the chat. If you have YouTube, if you have Twitter, go to Twitter. Leave a comment on this post saying how much money you made today. BDH, how we're the biggest, the largest. Let the world know. There's a link in the chat. Go to that post, let them know. Post it in there. Oh my God, NVIDIA 177. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna be so rich. I'm dick deep in NVIDIA right now. I got 2,500 shares of NVIDIA from the 172s. Oh my Lord. Still going higher. I'm up $21,000 in my live funded account. Well, live cash account. I'm about to go spend all this money. I'm about to call somebody to buy a car. What should I'm gonna go buy something. Oh, I gotta go buy something. Oh my, look at everything is just going to the moon right now. Look at the ES. Oh my God. Look at the ES now ripping to the moon. Oh my Lord. Oh. The Dow is up 585 points right now. What the fuck? Thank you, Daddy Pal. Thank you, Daddy Pal. Thank you, Daddy Pal. And what the best part is? Oh my God, the 15-minute range, the breakout here. Oh, Lord. We talked about the bull flag there, the overnight double bottom. We had the double bottom down there, double bottom. Look at that, it looks like the Bronco. Looks like the Bronco now. I'm gonna got the Bronco on the chart. Oh no, you gotta go like. Yep, that's the Bronco. Bronco setup. Oh my God. What a time to be a fucking live, baby. What a time to be alive. Oh, by the way, hit the like button when you leave a comment, you assholes. We got 200 likes, only 58. We got 200 comments and 58 likes. It's fucked up, man. It's fucked up. That's fucked up, man. That's fucked up. All right, and then we got one more giveaway as well. We're gonna give away some courses. I'm gonna give away 2 people $500 to 2 different people. You must have PayPal to win. All right, just stay tuned. We got more coming up. Don't go anywhere yet. Stick around. It's only gonna get better. All right. Well, I don't know. It's kind of like, do we keep going long forever or what? Is it an all day long? All right. This is how we're going to do the next giveaway. Next giveaway. All right, we're here at the Wieland. Go over there to, I got another YouTube channel. This is my fishing YouTube channel. All right, leave a little comment on this video. Fresh Cash Friday, PW, whatever you want to post. Check out the video as well. This is my new boat that I'm building right now. We're building a brand new boat. I got a 42 foot CV. It's a monster. It's big. It's huge. This is a $1.5 million boat build. That's right, 1.5 million. Nasdaq still going higher. Yeah, look at that pullback. We pulled back right into the fucking VWAP, huh? Right into the fucking VWAP, right into the middle of the fucking opening range as well. They love that. I'm telling you guys. You know somebody got fucking absolutely destroyed. Somebody got absolutely destroyed, man. In the sense of that they were going short. Somebody got short earlier. You know they got short on this pullback here. Everybody's like, oh, it's gonna dump. It's gonna dump. And they just got absolutely fucking destroyed. First, someone said, what power? Gonna put 425 Mercury V10s. Ruben got short? No way. Ruben, are you alive? I gotta scroll back in the chart and in the chat and figure out who was short this morning. Oh my God. Man. Somebody got... Oh, it's still going. I don't even know. Like, I don't fucking know. Do you go long again? Like, it just keeps going higher. Am I getting short now? Why would I ever short? Why would you short now? Why? Why would you do that? Like, that makes no sense. What a move, man. What a move. Oh. Well, fucking A. That's Friday, baby. That's fucking Friday right there. You know what I mean? That's fresh. That was Fresh Cash fucking Friday. You know, that's some Fresh Cash Friday shit right there. I love it, man. I fucking love Friday. Best day of the week. If you guys didn't see the news, yesterday I signed the biggest deal in the history of prop firm deals. Nobody else has a deal like this. No other affiliate out there. The guys from My Fun and Futures were talking about how some of the other affiliates cry and complain about how I, you know, all of the things that I do. And I'm like, well, you know, when you're the biggest and you're the largest, you can do whatever the fuck you want. Look at Lumi Trades back there. Lumi Trades, she's like, why is everybody with Patrick? She don't look very happy back there. Why is she looking like that? Lumi! Lumi, what are you doing? We can be friends still. We can be friends still. Tanner Simmons said, what were we supposed to do on the fishing channel? Hit the like button, subscribe button, all the fun stuff down below. There's I'm doing the giveaway here in the next what time is it? At 10:20, I'm gonna do the first giveaway for $500. $500. Patrick, you said to enter on Big Boner Candle. Is now the right time? Well, I mean, yeah, I don't know, man. I think if you were gonna get long earlier, it should have been long off this 500 area, like this, right? That would have been the long above 500 up there into the 570s. That's just what I would have done. I don't know. Please let us see the car behind you. It's a Ferrari. Liberty Walk. Hey, you got to be real crazy to cut up a Ferrari, you know? But I'd be like that. I'd be doing it like that. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. It's actually the original paint on there. It's got a wrap on it. A matte finish wrap. PPF. The fishing channel. There's a link in the chat. How much did it put you back? $300,000. What is the fastest car that I have? Probably the Mustang, honestly, or maybe the 765. Yeah, I guess the McLaren 765 is probably the fastest car. Do I like Japanese cars? I mean, I think they're cool. I like the vibe. I like the style. I like the kind of the wild, you know, wildness of them. I've got 3 RWBs, so I guess I do like JDM. I got 3 RWBs and I have 2 GTRs. So this is my new baby. Look at this thing. It is the sickest car. Honestly, it's so sick. Y'all don't even know. People don't even know. Look at that thing. It's so sick. Look at it. Just look at it. Which, oh my God, it's beautiful. So fucking sick, man. Oh, I gotta do a little bit of work on the wheels to get that tire out a little bit more. But absolutely insane. Oh my God, I got a boner just thinking about driving that thing. I got 3 of these things, by the way. 3 of them. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here. We got Powell speaking. Powell, the headline right now is he's saying that shifting balance of risk may warrant adjusting policy. So, shifting balance of risk may warrant adjusting policy. So I guess they're talking about doing a cut. Doing a rate cut. Patrick, sell now, Patrick. It's going to go down. Some guy named Mendel Etutuyu told me what to do. No offense to whatever your name is, Mendel Etutuyu. But I'm going to pass on taking advice from you. Thank you for your advice, though. Thanks for that. Do I know how to drive stick shift? Yes. I have a 1969 Bronco that is stick shift. I have multiple cars that are stick shift. Stick shift. Manual transmission. All right, a little bit of pullback here. Powell still speaking. The market went all the way up there, 23,600s. Obviously, got to expect some type of pullback here. Now we got to figure out what happens next. All right, I'm going to pick a winner here for the first winner. First $500 winner. Let's see what we got here. We got some names on here. Everybody win, 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 win. Let me see if I can do, I gotta do like this. Let me see how I do a random comment picker. Need some different music right now. We need some different music. Here we go. This is what we need. All right. Random comment picker. Here we go. All right, we got the thing pulled up here. 500 comments. Pick a random YouTube comment. Look at that gay sign. Fatih, are you in the chat? Fatih Morelli. Fatih Morelli. Fatih Morelli. Look, there she is. That you know. There he is, Fatih Morelli. Nice work. Fatih. Go. Do you have PayPal? Fatih. Do you have PayPal? Put your PayPal in the chat. I'll send you $500 cash. Fatima! Fatih! Emarelli, come on! Put your fucking... You got one more minute here. You got until 10:27 to put your PayPal in the chat, or I'm gonna pick someone else. Come on. $500. Dude, where'd she go? Fucking A, it's counting down 30 seconds. Put your fucking PayPal in the chat or you're not gonna get it. You better hurry. Better hurry. Dude, she got 20 seconds. Come on. I want to give you. Oh. Maybe she doesn't have PayPal. Maybe. You're gonna win if you don't have PayPal. Well, it's over. Next winner. Let's try the next winner. Pick another random comment. Kojak 604. Are you in the chat? Kojak 604. Kojak. Are you here? Where the fuck is Kojak at? Come on, man. Where are these people going? You got 1 minute to claim your prize, Kojak. You better hurry. Fucking A, man. How do these people be winning a contest, but they don't fucking stay around for it? The what? All caps. Fate person. Where's the fate person at? Fatih replied. Where? I don't see it. If everybody stops spamming the chat, then I can pay the person. Fatih, put your name in there. Fuck, man. Come on. Fuck.
Patrick, give me 5 funding ticks account. Wow.
Dude, I can't. Oh my lord. Dude, will you stop spamming the chat with that fucking flag, bro? Get out of here. Oh my god. I'm never gonna be able to find it now. Fuck. I gotta figure out a better way to do this. Well, we had some course winners here. The course winners here. Is your name on the list? Then you won the course. Maybe not as good as 500 bucks, but still a winner. Nasdaq still pushing up here. 589s again. I think Powell's done talking. Jay Powell's done talking. You better, better, better. Make you better, better, better. I can make you better, better, better. I can make you better, better. I can make you better, better. And I can't believe the winner won and didn't get the money. I feel bad. I want to give the winner the money. We got one more giveaway coming up here with Twitter very soon. Twitter giveaway here in the next couple minutes. Stay tuned, chat, for more action live from the BDH. Live at the BDH. Better, 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 better. I can make you better. I can make you better, better, better. Oh, by the way, if you want to send me a gift for my birthday, next week is my birthday. Fatih Emerald, I don't think you... Don't put an @ just put your username, but don't put @ because I think it's hiding. I don't see when you type PayPal. PayPal on her comment. No, I see it. I just don't. Fatih, I don't see it. Fuck. I can't see it for some reason. I don't know why, but I literally can't see it. Fatim Aurelio. Email me. info@onlyprofirms.com. Wasn't your birthday on Pride Month? No. My birthday's in August. My birthday is next week. Next Friday. There's a link in the chat. If you want to send me a gift, I'll open it live on YouTube. I'll open it live on YouTube next week. We got some big stuff going on next Thursday. It's going to be hilarious. I can't tell you all the secrets, but let's just say we got some fun stuff coming up. Control F in the chat. I feel like that's like going to turn everything off. I feel like it's going to turn everything off if we do that. Somebody said, show my stats. Here's my stats for the week. In this account, total P&L in this account for the week, 47,805. Sitting at 76% win rate. Not a bad week here, not a bad week. Not a bad week there, not a bad week. Michael Zuzu, there you go. Do you do this live stream every day? Yes. Every morning, 9 a.m. Fatih is not the same one, 100%. Just change the name on YouTube. Fucking A, man. I don't know what the fuck to do with these giveaways. Let's try to pick somebody else who can do this. Let's see it. Who wants to win? Let's see if we get someone who's a member. Kojak again. What the fuck? Vowel load. I don't like that name. 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 All right, Zach Hosier. Are you here? Zach Hosier, are you here? There he is, Zach Hosier. I posted a comment on your video that you posted on YouTube. Or no, just send. Can you send me your fucking email or your PayPal address? Zach Hosier, send me your PayPal address. God damn it, Zach. Dude, why is it so hard? People win. I'd be writing my PayPal. Like, if I was winning, I'd be like paying real quick, man. Zach, where is your PayPal? I gotta slow mode the chat. Maybe that's what I need to do here. Slow mode. Where to go slow mode at? Slow mode. Dude, I swear to God. Why do people win and then not get paid? I don't understand it. Fucking A. There we go. He finally did it. John Hosier. Let's go. Finally. Oh my God. I'm going to pay somebody. I'm going to pay Fatima or whatever as well. So just don't worry. Relax, chat. Lost. Lost in the beat of it all. No, you're really lost. Lost in the beat of it all. All right, John Hosier. Big Dick House. He gonna get paid from the Big Dick House. Oh man. What's your count? This your count. Big Dick House. All right, and then I got another email from Fatimia. Where'd he go? Nothing wrong. Fuck, where's the email at? What the fuck? Only prop firms. Where the fuck is the email? Dude, come on. Fuck, I gotta type this thing in now? Ugh. I can't even. Dude, it don't come up. Trying to pay people money is hard. Why is it so hard? Why is it so hard to pay people money? It's the craziest thing, I swear. It's fucking crazy. It's the age is 2025. Why am I giving people money? Because I made $20,000 a day. And when I make money, everybody makes money. All right. Hopefully Fatima gets the money here. We're going to see. $500. All right. That's $1,000 that we've sent today so far. Live on YouTube. That's right. You never know. All right, the next person who puts their PayPal address in the chat, I'll send 500 to. There we go. Starlink Nasdaq trader. Or wait, Cariza. Fuck, I think Cariza won that one. Sorry. Dude, where the fuck is Cariza? Where do you live at? Japan? Motherfucker lives in Japan. Are you living in Japan, Cariza? All right, that's $1,500 that I've sent so far. I gotta stop. I'm gonna go broke. I got no money left. I got no money left. Let's go. Cariza getting 500 bucks. Let's fucking go, baby. Just for watching the live stream. Just for watching the live stream, getting paid. Angelo said, rich ass, do the whole 20K. Hey, Angelo. Hey, how about you go sit in the fucking VIP room? Don't ever talk again on this chat. Exactly. It is not... I give away money out of the goodness of my heart. If you want to try to be a dickhead and try to talk shit about it, get the fuck out of here. Exactly.
At Tanner B.
Exactly. Hey, you want to talk shit in the chat? You ain't ever going to get nothing. And I'm like a fucking elephant. I remember everything. I do. I remember fucking everything. Look, Zach got 500 bucks. 500 bucks just for fucking hanging out. For not being a piece of shit. You want to talk shit in the chat? Get the fuck out of here. Exactly. Winners win, losers lose. All right? Winners win, losers lose. Dude, these girls think they're gonna come at me. These girls think they're gonna out-trade me. 5 days, 2 girls, 2 women versus the BDH versus PW. You know? I'm ready. The showdown, the battle of the sexes. Battle of the sexes. Battle of the sexes at the BDH live. Terry trades by Arena versus the BDH live for 5 days at the BDH. This is gonna be crazy. I don't even know what's gonna happen. I might end up like, well, I guess, yeah, no, I think I'm good. Never mind. There is no HR. I thought I was about to say I'm gonna get in trouble with HR, but then I'm like, wait. I am the HR. I'm the owner, the HR, and I'm everything. Never mind. We're good. We're good. You know, we're gonna be good. Don't worry about it. It's all good. Nobody can cancel me. I'm uncancelable. I can say that I'm gay, retarded, and I got a big black dick on YouTube, and nobody can cancel me. I love. All right, Nasdaq pushing back up here. Nice little pullback into that 500 level. Back up there to the 625s. She's still making new highs. I'm up right now on the day, boys. I'm up $22,295 in my live money account. Live money account. I don't know what happened, bro. I'm telling you, I got a big black dick. I don't know why. It might be fucking. It might just be like a birth defect. You know, I don't know. There's been rumors that actually gingers are originally black. I mean, I don't know, man. I'm serious. It's a real thing. I'm not even making this up. People be trying to like come at me, but I'm like, I mean, I read it on Twitter. This is the best. They actually made news about it. Gingers are black. It's a true story. I don't know, man. Are redheads black? I think so, man. Yes. Finally I get to be who I have always meant to be. I mean, it's on BET, right? It's on BET, so it's got to be legit. I mean, I'm in, baby. I'm in now. Woo! I'm everything. I'm everything. I love in my heart.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have a
Look, this is like actual news. It's like people are talking about this on the news. Gingers are black. I mean, I'm just saying.
announcement.
Look at that.
Yo, bro, you hear the news? What's up?
Well, I'm so glad about a black community. I ain't never been called a king before. That's nice. Red velvet. Ooh, I like that. Okay, I never even thought of that.
In all seriousness, with the trend going on, all genders are black.
It's a real thing, man. It's the news. Look, he's ginger. What's up, King PW? Oh, man. All right, Nasdaq. I mean, I don't know what to do now. Rearrange the letters in ginger, and now it all makes sense. That's very racist, by the way. You're being very racist by saying that. I do not condone that, but you're not wrong. I mean, I'm not very good at spelling, but I mean it does. I think it does work out. Oh man. I always say, that I hate all races equally. I'm an equal hater. I hate everybody equally, man. Every color skin, I hate everybody equally. There's a lot of I hate them all. I hate them all. Especially them white people. Fucking white people, man, they ruin the world. Goddamn white people be messing everything up for us people. For us gingers, Look at that. Desmond agrees. It's the truth. There's a lot of hey, all honesty though, I don't care what anyone says. I know there's always a racism argument. I think at the end of the day, the worst, I think the truth about it all. I know it's gonna get like controversial here for a minute, but like I think the real truth at the end of the day is like deep down, right? I don't think racism exists in the sense of like DNA, right? In your brain. Like if I lived on an island, right, and I'm a white guy on the island, there's a black guy on the island, it's just the two of us. And I've only ever known that would racism exist? Would I know the difference? I think that we're living in a world where like the world perpetuates racism, right? It creates it's always like talking about racism. It's like we teach kids about racism. We teach all this stuff about racism. And it's like, it just keeps like continuing the cycle, right? It's just like people keep talking about racism all the time. Racism. But like at the end of the day, everyone's a little racist, right? Everyone like, if you're whatever religion you are, whatever, like whoever you are at the end of the day, like you're always going to look at other people and be like, hey, they're a little different than me. But that doesn't mean you have to hate other people. Like I don't have hate towards other races, but at the same time, it's like, yeah, I'm not black, right? Like I'm not fucking Spanish. I'm not, those other things. I have mutual respect for those people. But I think the whole, like the media loves to like make this argument constantly where like, if somebody kills somebody, it's always like white cop shoots black man. And it's like, why is it not just like a cop shot a man? Like that's the question. I think it should be illegal for the media to basically run a headline that says a white cop shoots black man, right? Like, it's like, what is that doing for anybody? It's not helping anybody. It's not making the world a better place. Like, I get it. Like, racism exists. People hate other people. Like, I 100%, it exists in the world. But, like, at the same time, what does it do in America to have the media running a headline where it's like, black man shot by 25 white cops? You know? I just think it's bad. It's bad for the world. So, like, why can't we all be like, hey, there shouldn't be, like, at the end of the day, if a human being kills another human being, it should not be based on the race. You know, there's fucking crazy black people, there's crazy white people, there's crazy fucking Spanish people. Everyone's crazy. You know, like, so, I'm not trying to get all deep into it, but that's the truth. And I don't really care what anyone says. You know, it's like the media and constantly wants to make us all hate each other. Think about it. The government, the media, they don't want us to be friends, right? Because if all the citizens of America, you know what I mean? If all the citizens of America all kind of look at each other and go, wait a second. It's not us. It's the government, right? The government wants to keep fucking us. The government just wants to fuck the citizens all they can. The more taxes, more printing money. Let's create more inflation so that everybody in America gets fucked. Right? It's just constantly like, everybody gets fucked. You know? At the end of the day, the government don't care about us. You know what I mean? Like, if tomorrow, like, the fucking world's about to end, you think the government's going to be, like, protecting citizens? You think they're going to be calling everybody going, hey, we're going to help you out, right? We're going to help you. No. If the world ends, the only people that are going to help each other are the people that are next to you. You know what I mean? Like, the place that you live, your neighbors, your fucking community. That's the only people that are going to help you. If the world fucking is about to end, the government ain't going to come save you. The media ain't going to come save you. It's going to be your neighbor. It's going to be your friends. It's going to be your family. So that's, at the end of the day, that's the only people you got to worry about. Like, your neighbor, your friends, your family, that's the people. So this whole argument that we're like, let's all hate each other. Like, hey, I hate my neighbor because he's black. I'm like, well, fuck, he ain't the problem. You know, this because his skin color ain't going to make you hate him. It's like, we all need to come together as a population of people and just be like, hey, who's really trying to fuck us? You know, it ain't the races trying to fuck each other. It's the government. You know, the government is trying to fuck us. And that's the truth. They don't want us to be friends. Because if everybody in America stands up together and goes, hey, hold on a second, I don't like this. Right? If every fucking American said, hey, we're not paying income tax, right? If every American stood up and said, hey, we're not going to pay income tax anymore, what's going to happen? What are they going to do? They're going to send the fucking National Guard and kill everybody? No. You know what I mean? Like, they're not going to. What are they going to do? They're going to be like, fuck, oh, well, shit, I guess we're not getting income tax anymore. You know what I mean? Like, if everybody in America just goes one day and goes, hey, fuck paying income tax, guess what? They gonna stop. They ain't gonna pay. We ain't gonna pay no more. The government's so far in fucking debt. At this point, what the fuck does it matter? If I pay $10 million a year in taxes, what the fuck does it matter? They're gonna print trillions of dollars either way. You know, it's like, what the fuck does it matter at this point? So I think, as citizens of America, we all gotta fucking stop being retarded and we gotta start asking real questions. You know, like, hey, I paid $1.6 million in taxes. Where the fuck did that money go? Oh, I don't know. It went to pay the fucking debt. It went to fucking Ukraine. It went to fucking every other place but my fucking place. You know? That's the fucking question. It ain't like the fucking, think about it. Like, my son goes to school, right? My son goes to school in Florida. He's got a public school. I pay state income tax. I don't pay state income tax. I pay state taxes, sales tax, all that tax. So the federal tax is bullshit. It's all bullshit. It's a fucking joke. What does that go to? You know, where does that money go? It goes to fucking Ukraine. It goes to fucking every other fucking shithole Iran. How much money did we give fucking Iran? We paid a bunch of money for fucking Iran to bomb fucking Israel. You know? We're paying for Israel to fucking have missiles to shoot fucking Iran, and Iran's using our money to fucking shoot fucking Israel. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's fucking crazy. It's like, it's crazy. You know what I mean? Like, it's crazy. Oh my God. Like, look at this shit. Like, literally, in 2023, the USA gave $6 billion to Iran. Right? We gave $6 billion to Iran so that they could go buy more fucking rockets. Like, what a joke. What a fucking joke. Like, why? Stop giving everybody our fucking money. Stop giving our fucking money. Well, how much am I up today? I'm up 22,000. 22,000. Yeah, someone asked.
Wondered why people don't protest on taxes, thinking face.
I mean, people protest on everything but taxes. They protest on Planned Parenthood. They protest on immigration. They protest on everything that doesn't fucking actually matter at the end of the day. You know, it's like, hey, let's protest the fact that we're not going to pay fucking taxes so the government can just fucking buy and sell and do some fucking stupid shit. Let's go protest that. I'm going to go right now and I'm going to protest it. I'm going to the White House. I'm going to the White House right now. Come with me. Come with me, chat. God. I'm always like, I see the people, I mean, again, like, it goes back to the idea of, like, if you're an American citizen and you're sitting around protesting about immigration, you know, like, what? Why? Go to work. Go to work, you fucking asshole. I get it. You're upset because some immigrant couldn't come to America. I get it. But hey, you know, like, go get a job. You know, go get a job. Josh Wagner says, somebody buy my Subaru STI for $10,000. How nice is it? Is it a nice STI? I'll buy it. What year is it? If it's a 2004 WRX STI with 10,000 miles, I'll give you 10,000 right now. You know, I'll give you 10,000 right now, buddy. Right now. I don't know. I mean, again, like, there's so many questions, and I always ask myself, I'm like, am I fucking retarded or is everybody else retarded? Right? Like, it can't just be me. You know what I mean? Like, it can't just be me. Like, I can't be the only fucking retard on this planet. I gotta, like, think about, I'm like, wait a second. I'm like confused, you know? I'm like, how is it? You know what I mean? Like, how is it that nobody else is asking these questions? Why are we paying fucking income tax? Why? Does nobody wonder why? Is there, you know what I mean? Like, does nobody care? Nobody even asks why. You just do it. Let's just pay tax for no fucking reason. Supposed to be for military and roads only. Well, yeah. It go into a lot more shit than that. Pretty much America is going to get to a point where we're paying more in interest rate than we're paying more in interest than anything else. Look at that. I got this amazing chart. I love this shit. I'm going to post it up so we can talk about it. But look at this. This is the truth. I mean, like, how is nobody wondering? Like, wait, hold on a second. You know what I mean? Like, how nobody wondering? Like, think about it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this little chart. Look at the little chart. I had this the other day. I was going to post and talk about it. All right. Pull this. Nasdaq's still going higher, but I mean, I'm up 22,000 on that. I mean, I don't know if it's worth it to, like, really come, you know, like, what am I going to do there? But look at this chart, right? So if you look at where all of our money goes, right? We spend a bit, I guess, $1 trillion on Social Security, which honestly, Social Security is a fucking joke either way. Like, why the fuck, you know, like, let's get rid of Social Security, honestly. Like, everybody who's on Social Security, like, keep them going, but, like, I'm not expecting to get Social Security when I get older. You know, like, Medicare is a fucking scam too, honestly. Like, let's get rid of all that. The only thing that we should be spending money on is fucking national fucking defense and veteran benefits. Medicaid, get rid of all that shit, honestly. You know what I mean? Let's get back to the simple days. Get rid of Social Security, get rid of Medicare, get rid of Medicaid, and then just fucking spend all of our money on our defense and our infrastructure. That's all. That's all there is. But yes, the fact that we're paying almost $1 trillion, we're going to be paying $1 trillion a year just in interest alone. You know? Like just alone. It's crazy. This makes no sense at all. You need to take care of the less fortunate. Nah, fuck the less fortunate. That's how I feel. Hey, trust me. I don't care what anyone says. Being broke is a fucking mindset. It's not like, you know what I mean? You weren't born to be broke. You know, ain't nobody forcing you to be broke. My dad has a construction company and he will pay a starting person, anybody who wants a job, $25 an hour to start. If you're good at your job, he'll pay you $50 an hour. If you're even better, he'll pay you $100 an hour. So like, it's like this whole thing of like, you got to take care of the less fortunate. Imagine if we lived in a world where there was no fucking benefit. You know, imagine if we lived in a world where people had to go to work, right? Instead of giving fucking food stamps, imagine if the whole entire America had to go to work. You know what I mean? Like, I think about that. Patrick, are you suicidal? Yes, I'm thinking about killing myself right now. Not everyone can be an entrepreneur. I don't want everyone to be an entrepreneur. My dad, like I said, my dad will pay somebody $50 an hour to go fucking work. So what, like, you can't make a living making $50 an hour? What is that? You fucking work 40 hours a week? You can't live on that? Probably not, actually. That's $2,000 a week. What about the disabled? Well, it might not be right to say it, but disabled gotta go. They gotta go. Survival of the fittest, man. Survival of the fittest. I'm just saying, you know, I love disabled people, but like, honestly, like, you know, it ain't my responsibility. If I was in a wheelchair, just put a bullet in my head. I'm done. I'm out. I'm out of it. You know what I mean? Put me in a cage with a lion, see who survives. If I don't survive, it's over. You know what I mean? That's what it is. It's just, you know, I'm just be the truth of it. Yeah, I mean, cancel me. What are you gonna do? Cancel me? Be like, Patrick's gotta get canceled because he thinks that people should go to work and that we shouldn't pay income tax and that you know the government wants to fuck us. Yeah, let's cancel me. Yeah, hey, let's cancel Patrick Wieland for stating the fucking facts, the actual truth. Nobody wants to talk about the truth. You know, that's the truth. Everyone's talking about God in the chat too. I mean, hey, like I said a million times, your relationship with God is your relationship with God. You know what I mean? Everyone has their own relationship. So you sitting here telling me what I need to do with my relationship with God, that's up to you. You do what you got to do. You know, like, don't worry about what I do with God. And that, like, God, somewhere in the Bible, it probably says, I don't know exactly, but I'm sure it says somewhere in the Bible, be like, hey, don't worry about what your fucking neighbor's doing with God. You know, if your neighbor wants to put a fucking shrine of Buddha in his backyard, let him do what he wants. It ain't gonna hurt you. That's the truth. The fucking, your relationship with God is not supposed to be broadcasted on the fucking internet. Just sit there and be happy. All right, quit yapping, bro. Yeah, get the fuck out of here, James Bond. This is my live stream. I'm gonna do what I want, when I want, how I want, I ain't gonna stop. Nasdaq just grinding higher now, up there above the 23,600. Patrick, there's an objective truth. You have no clue. What's the objective truth? What's the objective truth? What do you mean L take? How is that an L take? Why? You know what I mean? Like, why is my belief on how I want to like have a relationship with God? Like, why is that an L take? You know what I mean? Like, why is that? Like, what does it make? Why? How is it that how I want to have a relationship with God? How is it that how I want to live my life? How does that make you, you know, have a different relationship? You know, like, how does my relationship with God affect your relationship with God? When the world ends and I die, do you think God's gonna be standing there at the fucking golden gates going, Patrick, I can't let you in because people on YouTube, they don't like how you lived your life.
It would make my day if you subbed to my YT channel. I do music and I love your concept of trading. Thank you for inspiring others.
You want me to sub to your channel? Bro, let me see what you got. Let me see what you got there. Mr. Music Man. Where's the music at, bro? Oh, fuck. Is this gospel music? Oh, no. Oh, I don't know. All right. I mean, you got a beautiful voice, man. I like it. I respect it. You got talent.
It is moving me.
Okay.
Yeah. From the morning to the evening, I can sing your praise all day. From the prison to the garden, you're the God who's breaking chains. When I look back on my whole life,
All right, okay. It's a vibe.
I can wait to thank you, Jesus. Oh, I'll never get used to this. I'll never get used to this. This is how I wanna live. Forever we'll be singing like, oh, I'll never get used to this. I'll never get used to this. This is how I wanna live. Forever we'll be singing like, oh, I'll never get used to this.
If you're wondering the channel, check out our boy here. Fucking Justin Bieber. Gospel singing Justin Bieber, motherfucker. There's a link in his chat if y'all want to hit him up. Leave some love on his stuff. What else you got? What else you got there, doggy? Oh, a little live performance. Woo!
Good Vibes Friday.
Friend we have in Jesus, and all things are possible when we be still my soul. I may not have it all.
Hey, no, hey, props, man. I know it's hard. It's hard to put yourself out on the internet. You're gonna get criticism, but I'm telling you one thing. I'll tell you one thing, my friend. I'll give you one little piece of advice, right? Everybody is gonna tell you that you can't do it, right? Everyone's gonna say that, hey, whatever your idea is, whatever your dream is, that you can't do it, right? Because majority of people are fucking losers. And the majority of people will never do anything with their lives. Think about that. So when they see somebody else taking a chance, when they see somebody else actually doing something in their life, what are they gonna do? It's the crab mentality, right? You put a bunch of crabs in a bucket, and one crab is about to crawl out of the bucket, right? One crab's about to get out of here, right? One little crab's gonna crawl out of the bucket, and then what happens? All the other crabs grab that fucking crab, and they're like, you ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere. You know? So just putting that out there. That would be my one piece of advice at the end of the day. You know? Don't ever listen to anybody else. Whatever they got to say, just say fuck it. Believe in yourself, believe in whatever your dream is, and just go for it. Because everybody else is going to sit around telling you that you can't do it. Since the day that I was born, I've been told I couldn't do it. it wasn't, but it's not even like, it wasn't that people didn't think I was like smart or I didn't do it, but we grow up in a world, right? Your parents from the age that you're a small child, what do? They tell you to be careful. You walk to the edge of the pool, you walk to the edge of the mountain, you walk to whatever edge there is, and they'll yell and go, get back from the edge, be careful, don't do that. So it's like we are ingrained from a young age, from a child, all you hear is as a child, oh, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. You know what I tell my son when he has an idea? I'm like, hey bro, good luck with that.
Can you play my song with Tory Lanez? Too easy. Martin feat Tory Lanez.
Can you play your song? Relax. I'm in a moment right now, Martin. Let me talk. But yeah, when my son wants to do something, I'm like, hey, I just tell him good luck. He's like, hey, I wanna fucking ride a motorcycle off a mountain. I'm like, good luck with that, bro. It ain't gonna be easy. It ain't gonna be hard. And to be honest, I had a little bit of a sad story. Landon, he's just turned 13. He's in 8th grade now. And he is in 8th grade, yeah. So he signed, tried out. He tried out for the soccer team, right? He tried out for the soccer team. There was 90 kids. 90 kids tried out. And unfortunately, he didn't make the team. And, he was kind of like telling me about it and stuff. And I told him, I said, that's life, bro. And I also asked him, like, what did you do to prepare for that tryout? You know what I mean? Like, what did you do to prepare? And he's like, well, nothing. So it's like, why did you expect you were going to make the team? Like, you didn't do anything to prepare, right? You didn't put any effort into like being prepared for that tryout. So the fact that you didn't do it, like that's the result. That should be the perfect example for a kid to be like, hey, like you wanted to be on the team, but you did nothing to get on the team. You didn't put the work in. You didn't fucking hustle. You didn't, you know what I mean? Like there's little things that you can do to make sure that you're going after whatever your dream or whatever your goals are. But if you don't put in the work, you don't put in the effort, you're not going to get shit. When we were fishing in Hawaii, Landon was bitching one time because he's like, oh, this fucking fish is too hard. It's too heavy. I don't want to. He was fighting this blue marlin for like fucking 20, 30 minutes. And he was tired. And he was kind of like getting a little bitchy and getting a little like cry, like, oh, Daddy, I don't want to keep going. I can't get it. And I told him, I said, listen. I said, if you get out of this fucking chair right now, if you get out of this fucking chair, you're never getting back in the chair. That's the rule. If you're not going to fucking fight this fish and get this fish to the fucking boat, then get the fuck out of the chair, but don't ever ask to be back in the chair. And he looked at me and he's like fucking tearing up, about to cry. And he said, okay, I'll get it. And he kept fighting and he got that fucking fish, right? He got the fucking fish. But if I would have let him get out of the chair, what would I have taught him? What would I instill in him? That quitting is okay. That stopping when stuff gets hard is okay. But welcome to the real world. Trading is hard. Life is hard. Everything's fucking hard. If it was easy, everybody would be rich. If it was easy, everybody would be getting big payouts. If it was easy, that is life. Life is fucking hard. The difference between somebody who wins and somebody who fucking loses is the person who wins just doesn't fucking give up. Right? That's all it is. The only difference between a winner and a fucking loser is the fact that a winner just never gives up. They keep losing until they become a fucking winner. And that's the same thing with trading. I think so many people just want that quick and easy fucking route. But trading is one of the hardest things in the world. Statistically, you are going to fail more often than you will ever be successful as a day trader. But if you just fucking stick to it, if you stick to the plan, you follow some type of fucking structure, some kind of process, you might win. But if you quit, you're never gonna fucking win. And that right there is the truth. That is the fucking truth. It ain't about what indicator. It ain't about what fucking course. It ain't about what fucking book you read. It ain't about what fucking Instagram you subscribe to. It is about what you are fucking doing. What are you doing to get to where you want to be? If you want to fucking be, if you want to make the soccer team in 8th grade, well, you better be out there fucking putting in work. You better be kicking the soccer ball every day, getting ready for that tryout. Because if you show up on the day of tryout and you didn't put no work in, you put no effort in, you ain't gonna make it. And that's life, my friends. That is fucking life. And that is the truth. You can cancel me, you can hate me, you can say I'm full of shit, but guess what? You know what you can't say? You know what nobody can say? They can't say that I haven't fucking won, right? That I haven't won more than most people. And then trust me, there was plenty of times where I wanted to quit. I wanted to give up. I wanted to say I'm over it. I can't do it, guys. It's impossible. Trading's too hard. I'm never gonna make it. I've been there. I had so many times. Like, you on my fucking YouTube channel. Look at these videos. This is 8 years ago.
This is something that I've noticed, something that I noticed. That
8 fucking years ago.
When I first started day trading. And I think if you watch this video, you're going to understand that you're going to be a better day trader tomorrow. So why do new traders think they can become profitable right away? Why do people think that they can open an account and start making money in the stock market right away? Why is that? Why is it? It's an instant gratification. People think that they can start trading, they can watch one DVD, they can watch one YouTube video, and then start making money. And sure, you might get lucky. You might get lucky on 1 or 2 trades, and then boom, you're gonna lose. Or you're gonna get stuck in a trade, or something weird's gonna happen because you don't have the experience and you don't have the emotional capacity to be able to handle a loss, to be able to handle a win in terms of being greedy or taking your profit when you have it. And that's one of the things I keep trying to express to people in the chat room, people that email me. I try to explain this simple theory. It's the idea that you're going to be a better day trader tomorrow. The things
he ain't lying. Honestly, it's the truth. If you fucking keep trading, if you keep trading, and you keep trading, and you keep trading, and you keep trading, at some point, you're going to be a better day trader. You might still be unprofitable. You might, you know what I mean? Like, it ain't, no, just because you're showing up every day don't mean you're going to make money. But at the end of the day, if you keep putting in the work, you should at some point find some type of like consistency. And like I've said a million times, it's okay to be a consistent loser. I know it sounds stupid, but like you can lose money consistently, right? You're allowed to. But the problem is if all you're doing is chasing the highs, chasing the lows, trying to fucking make money, trying to, if all you're doing is just chasing it, then you're always just going to you're not learning, you're not progressing. You've got to find some type of consistency. And that's trading.
It's bugging me. Honestly, it's kind of bugging me, and I want to talk about it. I want you guys to understand a couple different things about this channel and who I am and what I do. So I want to break it down in this video and explain some things that I think you need to know and kind of clear the airways, hopefully. So stay tuned. There's been a lot of people who have been commenting, people on Twitter, people who doubt everything, and they call it all a big scam. They say how day trading is impossible to make money, and I understand it's hard. Day trading is really, really hard. And one of the things I'm kind of sad about is that I've been day trading for about 1.5 years now.
Did you get hair plugs?
And that first year that I was day trading, it was really hard for me. And I quit a couple times. I blew up my account a couple times. I lost about $16,000 in that first year. And I've been honest about that. I've told you guys in multiple videos that I had a hard time the first year. And it wasn't until the last 6 months that I really started to kind of learn more and become a better day trader. And really in the last 3 months that I Profitable day trader.
God, I really wasn't good looking back then. Now I'm ugly. But think about it, right? I used to, like, I had this on my desktop. I couldn't afford an Audi R8. And guess what I got now? Guess what I got now? Look at it. I got a real car behind me. I got a Lamborghini. I got a Ferrari. I got a 765 McLaren. I got literally over $1 million. That's 3 cars that are $1 million. The Ferrari, the McLaren, and the Lamborghini. Over $1 million just in 3 cars. I got 2 GTRs. I got 3 Porsches. I got a fucking 1969 Bronco. I got a fucking Raptor R. You know what I mean? That is the dream. Come on. Come on. Can you touch the car? No. It's a green screen, sir. No touches allowed. That's pretty epic, though. I forgot about these. Like, look at that. That's what a full circle, man. To go from there to where? From here to there to here. So, what else we got? Let's look at some old videos. Look at this is like real old video. This is a real old video.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're out here at Cars and Coffee in West Palm Beach. I got my girlfriend driving. We're hanging out today.
Why was she driving for?
It's Sunday.
I don't even know.
Tomorrow is President's Day. The market's closed, so we're having a nice 3-day weekend. Looking forward to Tuesday morning. Got a couple overnight holds. We're in C-Bay right now, C-B-A-Y.
God, what was I doing back then? I've always been a fan of cars since I was a little kid, man. Been loving cars my whole life. It's funny because like I would go to a car show. I'm like, damn, look at that. Look at that McLaren. You know, I'd be like, damn, look at that McLaren, man. And then now it's like I got a McLaren. I got the fucking #1. Well, I mean, you know, like under $1 million McLaren, but like whatever. This is my old McLaren, not my old.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Got the new MagnaFlow put on the Audi A7 here. I haven't seen any other videos on YouTube really with the sound, so I want to put an engine, cold air intake. So I'll do a couple just red.
Bro. Doing back in the day, man, what was I doing back then? What was I doing back then? Look at me trading in Mexico. What a loser.
Wednesday.
What was
My favorite part about day trading is you can actually travel the world. You can see things that most people never get to see, and you get to do it all while you're working. Get a trade in the morning and then spend the
Mexico, baby. Like, well, I don't even know. Like, it's crazy. Like, what a crazy evolution of it all, man. The craziest evolution, you know. What else? Look, literally, I had one of my thumbnails was an Audi R8 back in the day. That's funny. Oh man, I still, you know, we'll be out here living the dream, baby. I still be on the boat.
Saturday, the market is closed today, so come along for a little fun.
Miami. I'm just happy that it's 8 years later and I'm still doing the same exact shit. You know what I mean? Like, I haven't changed. I ain't changed. That's the best part. Even when I didn't have money, I still did the same exact shit that I did when I had money. So that's kind of, I think that's a good sign, right? That's a good sign. And the fact of like, I stayed true to who I was, man, this whole time, you know? Stay true. This is me in Puerto Rico trading.
The next day, it went from 22 cents, 85, like FNBC, a total pump. And that's going to be don't get greedy.
I used to travel a lot more because I wasn't live streaming
along the way, and that's kind of always the surfing, explore Puerto Rico, and have a good time.
Puerto Rico.
I'll be posting some videos.
What else we got? This is a trip down memory lane. I'm in nostalgic mode right now. Nostalgic mode. Let's see what else we got. What else we got? I wonder how many different videos of different girlfriends I have on my YouTube channel. All right, we had one so far. Victoria's the last one. She's the final boss. Victoria's the final boss girlfriend. Final boss. I got me the final boss. Final boss girlfriend. Oh man.
Come on, guys, we're here in Miami. It's pouring down rain. It's Saturday. We got an event going on. One of the companies that I consult for, one of the companies that I work at one of the stores, talking about workshop.
Bitcoin, the price of Litecoin, Ethereum, probably about every 10 minutes, which probably really bad. I need to stop doing that. I don't know why I check it so often, but it's always a roller coaster, up, down, all around. Litecoin going to $200 last night. Bitcoin coming down. We got Ethereum over 500 and then crashing back down. Ethereum at 500.
There's nowhere to park. There's no.
Crazy. Look at this video. This is when I had 10,000 subscribers.
10,000.
You speak a lot more confident.
I'm not talking
now.
about Bitcoin price. I'm talking
videos.
about Litecoin price. I'm talking about the amount of people out there who have subscribed to my channel. I think we're actually over 10,000 at this point. But I'm very, very excited, very thankful for everyone out there who has supported me this far. The people who told me it was impossible. The people who told me that nobody would actually watch my videos. The people who told me nobody actually cared about what I had to say. those people can go ahead and screw themselves because we did it. 10,000 subscribers, and it's not just me. Not just say, hey, I did this. This is amazing. You guys helped me along the way. Everybody out there who's been here since the beginning, the people who have recently subscribed, everyone out there who sees value in my content, who enjoys watching my videos, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I could not do this without you guys. And I've actually learned a lot along the way. People always give me tips. People give me ideas for videos or ideas for things I should do differently when I'm trading or just ideas in general. I've actually met a lot of different people online, talking to them over Instagram or Twitter or whatever it is, opened up a lot of different channels and opportunity because of you guys supporting me along the way. So I want to thank every single one of you guys out there who have subscribed, who have left comments, who have participated in this channel, this journey that we're all really on, this journey of...
I think it's I just have a better microphone now, to be honest. This journey. I want to thank everybody out there for this journey. I don't know, maybe my voice. Maybe my voice is, I don't know, what is it? I don't know. What changed? Why does my voice sound differently? Maybe I just got older. Maybe I smoke too much weed now or something. My voice, I got older and smoked too much crack. I mean, weed. Someone's got to post now. I'm like, he said he smoked crack. Nah, dog. Puberty hit. My balls finally dropped. I think I also just got better at talking. And I think the mic's better too. You got cocky. Fuck you. You didn't get cocky. Get out of here. Banned for life. Oh, man. The people... So I went to the My Fun and Futures meetup last night. It was hilarious because we were there at the My Fun and Futures thing, and people were coming up to me, other influencers. I had like 3 people tell me that I banned them on Twitter or I blocked them. They're like, hey, I'm so-and-so. You blocked me on Twitter. I'm like, true. So, probably had a good reason, right? Probably had a good reason for blocking you, I guess, you know? Probably blocked you for a good reason. I don't know what it is, but I blocked, you know, like, is what it is. So you want to get rich fast and easy. That's what you want, right? Everybody wants to get rich fast and easy. And I see these other videos on YouTube. I see other people constantly talking about getting rich or how to get rich. Here's one secret to getting rich, and that's always the big title. You know, how do I get rich fast? And I don't know anybody that's gotten rich fast. All the best entrepreneurs in the world, all the billionaires, everybody out there has had trials and tribulations along the way. My throat chakra. Wait, your throat has a chakra? I got a chakra? What else we got? My throat has a chakra. Oh, man. This is actually really cool, right? This is pretty cool. I want to share this. I got to show another thing. This is, I think I already talked about this before, but this is like kind of the best like full circle moment, right? This is really like the full circle moment. So I made this video, 7 years ago. All right, so 7 years ago, I went to New York City. Working on some new projects, working on a new business venture with one of my good friends, and I'm really excited because when I'm in New York, I'm really motivated, and I see everything going on. And I went to, look at this. I met with Jim Cramer. I couldn't go into the New York Stock Exchange, so I was a nobody, right? I was just like a normal person, and you can't just get into the New York Stock Exchange. So this is 7 years ago. I went to Wall Street, you know, like,
but nothing good in life.
Filmed all this stuff at Wall Street. Went to the stock exchange, stood out front, you know, obviously like, wow, look at that. Oh, look on the inside, you know. I actually met Jim Cramer when I was there too, which is pretty cool. So that was 7 years ago. And what's funny is I actually later on, a year later, I went inside the New York Stock Exchange. What a crazy story, right?
So
like
the exchange now, see if we can't get in some trouble. Donnie told me I'm allowed to break every rule, get every fine possible. I went online. They said everything that I'm not supposed to do, I'm trying to do today.
That's kind of crazy.
We're here, New York Stock Exchange. They let me in. I don't know why, but we got in. Right there, it's happening. CNBC over there. Maybe I can jump on the panel real quick. A special guest on the CNBC.
That was pretty cool. That was a pretty cool experience, to be honest. It's just cool to like see it, you know, like to see it in person, to walk around,
take
and,
a
like,
seat over there.
be in there, you know. 6 years ago.
Checking out Catone and Company's operations. These guys are down here making the market, seeing how these orders are coming through. I'm talking to a guy this morning, he put 300,000 shares through. So really cool to see what's going on out here.
The way it works when you're trading electronically, most people are coming through one pipe and one lane of traffic, if you want to think of it like that. When you come to...
I think we're about 500, 600 points up on the day right now. Market.
I actually, so like there was a security guard. This guy was like watching me.
It's about to close.
You're not supposed to film on the floor. That's like one of the things. They don't want people like walking around
About
the
5
floor
minutes till the market
filming.
closed. Everybody's getting all excited for the
was,
bell.
like,
Put
fully
the orders
just
through.
walking
They might be
around
black
filming
for the day.
everything.
All the orders coming through. Everybody's sending their orders.
CNBC guys. I was like, put me on there, Ross. Ross,
They want to
put
get
me on
flat by the end of the
CNBC.
day. They want to get out of their positions. Whatever they got coming.
Pretty cool.
And everybody's basically, you know,
That's, I think, Cheddar TV
in
there.
that last 5 minutes is putting the orders through. So they might be getting some big orders coming through and talking to some of the market makers about what's going on. Some of the guys, they're like, hey, you know, I got
See that guy behind me? He's like watching. He's like, what does this guy do?
that last 5 seconds, the last 15 seconds, once the market closes, to basically close out all my positions. And
Is there a fee to get into the building? No. They won't let you in there.
hopefully get...
You have to be invited to the New York Stock Exchange. And then after that, we went and a broker paid for me to go and sit.
Always interesting.
And the New York, Brooklyn. This is the good old days, man. Back when brokers used to pay money. Just crazy. I think at the end of the day, I gotta always remember how you know, I wouldn't say fortunate, but like, you know, I've had a really good life, you know, and a lot of people have been, you guys have really supported me. And I think to the day, like I always say, without you guys watching, without people coming and watching the YouTube channel, without commenting, without, you know, subscribing and all that, I wouldn't be where I'm at. So I do have to always give thanks to all my subscribers, everybody out there. As people that have been watching, there have been people who have been watching the live stream since the last fucking 5-6 years. Such a crazy journey, you know, and yeah, here we are. Living the dream, man. Another day, another dollar. Freshcast Friday. We've been doing it. So big thank you, guys. Big thank you. I hope that at some point I get to meet every one of my subscribers somewhere in the world at some place. You know, I randomly run into subscribers all the time here in South Florida. If you ever see me in real life, don't be afraid to say hello, say what's up. I met a guy last night. He said that he's been watching my YouTube channels for like fucking 6 years now. He's got friends all over the world that he talks to that also watch it. So it's pretty crazy. I'm not the biggest and the largest because nobody watches me. I'm the biggest and the largest because people watch the channel, people enjoy the channel, people support the channel. And I just want to give a big thank you to everybody who's watching now, and if you're still here, and all that fun stuff. We got some big stuff coming up. We've got some more events. We got next week. You definitely want to tune in for the PW birthday special next Thursday. I'm excited for that. I think it's going to be a good time. And yeah, man, I would love, like I said, I would love to shake every subscriber's hand. You know, everybody out there that's been supporting me and watching me since the dawn of time, I would love to at some point meet you, buy you a beer, fucking smoke a joint, whatever you want to do. Maybe read the Bible. I don't fucking know. We could do it together. So I want to probably do like a big, like maybe do like a Christmas party. Maybe like the BDH Christmas party. We'll see. I don't know. I got to figure out the logistics of it. But if you're in South Florida, maybe we'll have a big BDH Christmas party this year. Might get a little crazy. You're going to have to like hire security and shit, but we'll see. Arthur subscribed 8 years ago. Damn. That'd be pretty cool. Who's the longest subscriber? Who's been subscribed for more than 5 years? Anybody? When is Apex going to come out with some new stuff? I think it's coming sooner than later, to be honest. Big birthday coming up next week. 37 years old, man. 37. It's crazy. Theo's been here since before the GME rally. That was a hot minute ago. That was. So, what we got? I need a song to close it out here. What are we gonna close it out with? Let me see what we got. What we got? Tradeify TV's got 500 people watching. Oh my God, what a bunch of losers. Oh God, that's sad. Sad life for them. Let me see. I need a little song.
PW, if you can check my page and pick the design we created for you. If this is not your style, that's cool too.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not really like a jewelry person, to be honest, Maria. I honestly do the offer. I don't really wear jewelry. I wear a watch, but like I don't really wear jewelry. Maybe like, what about a ring? Maybe we could do like a ring. I don't know.
Can you play my song to end the stream? Cool, thanks for the inspiration.
Martin Suarez,
feat.
dude.
Tory Lane's Too Easy.
What is it, Martin featuring? That's your song? Like you made that song? I'm so confused. Wait, did you make this song? Martin? It's literally called Martin.
La mama, she see me and how about a wraith, yeah. Shawty, she bad, she giving me face, yeah. Got a phone in place, playing my plate, yeah. I know that you see me, but guess in the face. This shit too easy for me. If you see me counting up bands, bitch, don't get greedy with me. I'm loading a bed, I'm stacking my chips, got your shawty on me. She wanna party with me, skirt off in a foreign with me. But shawty boring to me. If it ain't about the money, I won't slide. Bitch, I'm always been on the grind. Gotta roll it, don't tie the tie. This shit a walk in the park. I'm living life like art. Bitch, I'm on top of the charts. Most of you rappers are soft. I'm going hard like The Rock. Might just pull up to your block. Trust me, I got it all locked. I'm sipping no syrup, no cough. Too many blue hundreds, I can't pull my pants up.
Alright, well.
The mama, she working, she swerving, she's
I don't know about the song, bro. I don't know about the song. It's not the vibe. I know, I got the song. I got the song. Hold on a second. There we go.
Searching for the thrill of it.
Thrill of it.
Say that it's love, but to me it's looking counterfeit. I get done with one and move right on to another bitch.
Ha!
Yeah. College educated, she graduated. Any bill she can't front, her parents paid it. The show was far, you the only one with a car out your girlfriends. But being that she's a big fan, of course she made it. Most girls wanna hide the fact that the thrill they chasing, but you just wanna get drunk tonight and fuck someone famous. So I just name a time and a place, and your game for it. Value player, hotel room, meet you there.
Walking on a dream. How can I explain? Talking to myself.
Just traveling the world.
Will I see you again?
Trying different drugs and girls. Yeah.
We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it. All alone, we are calling out again. Never looking down, I'm just an aura of what's in front of me.
Addicted to champagne. Fuck the room, we buy the whole way. Bitches, I Taylor gang that. They just wanna know where the plane's at. Yeah. Wake up drunk, go to sleep fucked up. We both amazed at what we just done. Mix mixing drinks, knowing we'll regret this. Ain't been asleep yet, room service bringing us breakfast. All this money, darling, what else is left to do? But smoke and enjoy my presidential view. Got a swimming pool in my living room. On stage interviews, tons of sour, let's consume.
We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it.
Okay.
All along, we are calling out now again. Never looking down, I'm just in awe of what's in front of me.
Addicted to champagne, champagne. Fuck the room, we buy the whole way, whole way. Bitches, I Taylor gang that, gang that. They just wanna know where the brains out. Addicted to champagne, champagne. Fuck the room, we buy the whole way.
All right. Hey, I hope you guys have a great weekend. And well, guess what? We're green. It's Fresh Cash Friday. The funding ticks deal is only going to last today. It ends tomorrow. So the 35% off the $50 account. If you're going to do it, today's the day. Don't go chasing waterfalls. And I'll see you guys later on Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Let's go.
They just wanna know where the brains out. Addicted to champagne, champagne. Fuck the